Hi, let me tell you about a Unity tool I cannot live without. It's called Hot Reload. You can check it out from their website here. It is $70. I think it is totally worth that if you're indie. And the website is hotreload.net. The way that this tool works is if you have a small code change you want to make, you can do it within your code and then it will immediately be reflected within the running game. That means you don't have to recompile, you don't have to rebuild, you don't have to redo all the steps that it would take in order to get to the test case that you're testing. Let me show you an example. So right now I have some code that would be moving the camera when I bring my cursor to the top or bottom of the screen. However, when I have my cursor there right now, you're seeing nothing is happening, and that's because I commented it out here. So if I uncomment it and push save, that's all I need to do, the game immediately recognizes my changes. And you'll see that over here, there was 2 entries in the hot reload timeline to show that it recognized that I made changes, and basically it immediately added them to the running game. And now when I bring my cursor to the top of the screen or the bottom of the screen, check it out. It will move just as I wanted it to. The camera will pan. And I mean, this is just a simple example of like commenting out code. I'll do it again, set it back. But basically, this has been really useful if you ever want to like edit variables on the fly, see how different tunable parameters make a difference. And that's ultimately what I've been using it for as I've been working on this little camera system I'm working on cooking up right now. So yes, this is definitely a tool that has become an essential part of my workflow. It is simply a tool I cannot live without. Tell me, what is a tool that you cannot live without? I would love to know, because a lot of these things are like, you don't realize how valuable they are until you have them. And then it's like, oh my God, they're invaluable. I couldn't make games without them. So please let me know what is kind of on your list, because I would really appreciate finding some more kind of essential tools.